So if you would like to replace a sky in Luminar 4, we'll just open a picture and you will reach the Creative tab, just right here, and you will go in AI Sky Replacement. And from here, you will go in just right here, the sky selection, and you will select sky. You got plenty of selection: blue sky, bright sky. Let's try this one. And as you can see, it's already done. It replaced the sky. All of the sky was replaced. So you see it cut on the mountain. It cut inside the trees. The trees just right here. It cut over me. It detect that this is a sky, this is a tree, with little spot inside that have to be translucent. And yeah, everything seems perfect to me. So if I go in bright sky, in dramatic sky, or you can go in sunset, galaxy, starry night, sunset. See, and it always apply a little something on the shot. So it's not the native color. It replace the color so it match to the new sky. See, it really done a great job. And if you consider to purchase Luminar 4 or any Skylum software, use my affiliate link in the description. I've got a discount for you.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there is from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!